All right, what I've got here, I don't know whether to call it a muffin or a biscuit. It's kind of in between. I call these savory, salami, cheddar, and corn muffin biscuits because they're made in muffin tin. They're kind of like a muffin. They're a savory muffin, but they also come out a little biscuity-like. So let's just pull those apart. Inside here, there is corn, cheddar cheese, and pieces of little minced up salami. Oh, look at that. That's delicious. Yeah. So, I love savory muffins and things. And these are, yeah, that's great. Let's go in the kitchen and make some of these right now. Well, to make these savory muffins, here are the ingredients. What I've got here is 1.5 cups of flour. I've got 5 ounces or about 140 grams of cheddar cheese grated. I like to use a bit of an older cheddar cheese, a little sharper when you can. Here I've got 3 ounces of salami. That's 3 ounces or 85 grams, and that is minced. Just cut up into small pieces, like about 1/8 of an inch, eighth or more, so about 3-4 millimeters. Over here I've got 1 15-ounce can of corn, which has been rinsed and drained. I've got 3/4 of a cup of yogurt. I've got 1 egg. I've got 1/4 cup of melted butter. I have here is 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. So let's put the dry ingredients into one bowl and the wet ingredients into another bowl. So first of all, the flour can go in this larger bowl here, along with the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, the pepper. I also like to toss in here is the salami, because the salami tends to clump together a bit, and this way I can break it up and get it throughout the mixture. So just a little bit of a mix around like this until we've got everything combined or distributed. All right, now in the other bowl, I'm going to put the egg. So we've got an egg in there. Give that a quick whisk. Beat that up a bit. And then I want to whisk in the yogurt. So get that yogurt in there. Make sure we get all the yogurt. Okay. And give that a quick mix. I'm going to add in that melted butter. That's going to be good. Make sure we get all that in there too. All right, so get the butter in there. Whisk that together a little bit. All right, now that we got that combined, what I'm going to do now is just put this to the side for right now. So we've got the flour mixture here, the dry mix, and I'm going to pour in the wet mix. And then I'm going to mix that till it's just combined. You don't mix this too much. When you're mixing muffins, you don't want to hard mix this. Just mix it until we see that we're getting everything combined together, like that. Once it starts coming together, that's good enough. Now, in goes the corn. Mix that in there. All right, in goes the cheese. Get that all mixed through there. Oh, that's going to be absolutely delicious. Smelling good already. All right, now that's combined throughout. Now what I've done over here is, oh man, overboard. I have prepared 2 muffin tins, 2 6-cup muffin tins, or you can do 1 12-cup muffin tin. I put papers in them. And what I'm going to do now is divide this mixture up amongst the muffin tins. The oven is ready, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. This is going to go in there for 25 to 30 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to bring them out. We're going to do a little press. If they bounce back nicely, they're done and we're ready to eat them. So let's get this in the oven and come back and check on them later. All right, those have been 25 minutes in the oven. They're looking fantastic. Let's just see. And you push them and they bounce back. Those are perfect. These are ready to go. They're looking delicious. You can see why I say they're like half muffin, half biscuit. Fantastic. Enjoy these delicious savory muffin biscuits. Now if you go to the link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Snack and Appetizer Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the feature tag called Recipes. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy savory salami, cheddar, and corn muffin biscuits. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.